Welcome to Cane Creek Ranch. This property is located 40 minutes south of the Tulsa Metroplex and 10 minutes south of Haskell, or just 15 minutes into Muskogee, Oklahoma. This ranch features abundant vegetation with Bermuda, fescue, clovers, and native mixed grasses, and has been used for farming crops in the past. The ranch is 70% pasture and is fenced and cross-fenced with many good shelter belts. It is capable of supporting up to 200 head of mama cows. The ranch has 7 ponds with 2 full-time creeks, and these offer great habitat for wildlife. The ranch house was built in the 30s and is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that would make a great guest house or hunting cabin. For more information, please give Debbie Durkee a call.